You can build wearable headbands with NeoPixel LEDs that respond to BLE beacons at Disney theme parks. These NeoPixel accessories interact with Disney BLE devices like MagicBands, Starlight bubble wands, and theme park statues. This means you can use Disney products like the bubble wands to cast colors to our custom NeoPixel projects. You can send commands from our BLE remote and light up MagicBands, bubble wands, and our custom wearable headband. Our headband automatically reacts during the fireworks show at Magic Kingdom and even the statues at Epcot. The wearable headband is powered by the Cutie Pie ESP32S3 and a LiPo BFF, while the remote runs on the Adafruit Clue. We think this project could be adapted for accessibility projects like mobile scooters, wheelchairs, and even strollers. We have a special Find Me beacon mode that can help you spot your accessible vehicles in dark and crowded areas. There are two separate projects that run CircuitPython code. The Adafruit Clue acts as a BLE remote that pulls from a list of commands that was captured from the Disney theme parks and ties them to the LED animations. The TFT display on the Clue shows a menu of animations to choose from and can send BLE commands to trigger the LEDs on the Disney MagicBands and accessories. To get the code and learn how to build your own, check out the tutorial at learn.adafruit.com. You can get the parts to build this project, links are in the description. You can 3D print the parts to build the enclosure in your favorite filament. We used flexible TPU filament to make the headband attachments. We used short strips of socket headers on the Cutie Pie to keep the circuit low profile and the project compact. You want to measure your wire connections depending on where you want to install the NeoPixel LEDs and the Cutie Pie. You can cut down on some of the wiring by sharing power and ground connections across the two NeoPixel jewels. The wired connections are soldered to the top of the Cutie Pie with them running underneath the PCB. The two mounting holes on the NeoPixel jewels are then sewn to the fabric with a needle and thread. You can create a pocket to house the LiPo battery by measuring and cutting a small slit on the side of the headbands with a hobby knife. These are big enough to hold a 1200 mAh LiPo battery. You can route the battery cable in between the Cutie Pie and the BFF before plugging it into the JST port. The case for the Cutie Pie snap fits together and features a cutout for connecting a flexible TPU band to the side of the case. The TPU band can then be wrapped around the headband to attach them together. A slide switch add-on piece lets you easily turn the circuit on and off. The case for the Clue features cutouts for the onboard buttons and display. An additional retainer keeps the LiPo battery mounted in place. We had a lot of fun remotely triggering our MagicBands, and we hope this inspires you to check out Adafruit NeoPixels and BLE dev boards for building your own wearable projects.